Sustainability means caring for our planet, using what we need without wasting. If we help a little, Earth can stay green and happy for everyone.
Hi, we're speaking from the year 2125.
The Earth got too messy, too much plastic, pollution, and waste.
But we can change that by learning how to be sustainable.
Let's rewind to the past and send a message.
Whoa! What is that glowing thing? It looks like a message. They're talking to us.
But we have to do something right now.
Look at all this trash! There's plastic everywhere! The water is dirty and all the fish are gone. It's because we didn't recycle the reused things.
But not too late, we can fix it.
Let's call Team Green!
Team Green! We are Team Green.
Let's teach everyone the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Use less plastic and use your own water bottle.
Make art from old stuff and reuse paper and clothes. Wow, look! All the trees are growing back again.
The river's clean and the fish are back.
When we
care, Earth gets better! Turn off lights when not needed.
Walk or cycle when you can. Don't waste water. Love nature and be a planet protector.
Say no to plastic bags.
Fix things instead of tossing.
Plant a tree.
Share, don't throw, love nature.
VRAcademi. Empowered minds shaping tomorrow.